Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create an X or Twitter account. So first, just click on create account. Just write your name. Make sure that the email is not yet taken. Just enter your date of birth. And just a reminder that X is also strict when it comes to age, so make sure that you're 18 years old and above if you're going to sign up on X. Then just press next. Now, X may ask you to authenticate your account. Then once done, you just have to check your email for the code that they sent. Now, just enter a password, then press sign up. You can skip this step. Then X might generate you a username, but you can change it anytime. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily create an account on X. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!